Welcome to Crimson Logic, the geometry of fluid. This video will decode the biochemistry, clinical mechanics, and modern myths surrounding human blood types. We will explore hematology and population genetics on a micro to macro scale. Blood type is defined by the presence of surface antigens, acting as the ID tag, and the inverse plasma antibodies, acting as the defender. Antigens are glycoproteins and glycolipids on the red blood cell surface, while antibodies are Y-shaped proteins in the plasma. The four main ABO blood types are type A, B, and O. Type A has A antigens and anti-B antibodies. Type B has B antigens and anti-A antibodies. Type AB has both A and B antigens and no antibodies, making them the universal recipient. Type O has no surface antigens but both anti-A and anti-B antibodies, making them the universal donor. Blood types are determined by the H antigen precursor, encoded by the FUT1 gene. The A allele enzyme adds N-acetylgalactosamine, creating type A. The B allele enzyme adds D-galactose, creating type B. The O allele is an inactive enzyme, resulting in an unmodified H antigen, which is still biologically sufficient for cellular function. The Bombay phenotype is a rare biochemical exception where the H antigen precursor is completely missing due to a null FUT1 genotype. Individuals with this phenotype appear as type O on standard lab tests, but possess potent anti-H antibodies. They can only safely receive blood from a Bombay donor. The prevalence is very low globally, but slightly higher in Mumbai. Genetic inheritance follows specific rules. A and B alleles are dominant, while O is recessive. In the example of a type A AO and type B BO parent, their offspring can inherit type A, type AB codominant, type B, or type O recessive. A parent's blood type or phenotype may mask their underlying genotype. Globally, O+ blood dominates, concentrated in South American and African populations. A+ is more prevalent in European countries, and B+ has the highest prevalence in South and East Asia. Only about 15% of the human population lacks the RhD protein, resulting in Rh-negative blood types. Agglutination is a deadly cascade that occurs during an incompatible blood transfusion. First, the mismatch occurs when antibodies detect foreign antigens. Next, the cross-link binds the cells into clumps. Finally, hemolysis causes the red blood cells to rupture, leading to shock and renal failure. The ultimate compatibility matrix shows which blood types can safely donate to others. O is the universal donor, compatible with all types. AB+ is the universal recipient, accepting all types. Rh-negative blood can be given to Rh-positive patients, but not the reverse, due to the risk of immune attack. In a laboratory blood typing simulation, agglutination indicates the presence of an antigen. If the blood clumps when mixed with anti-A sera, the A antigen is present. If it clumps with anti-B sera, the B antigen is present. If it clumps with anti-D/Rh sera, the Rh factor is present. Smooth fluid indicates absence. Hemolytic disease of the newborn, HDN, involves a clinical timeline known as the pregnancy paradox. Phase 1, sensitization, occurs when fetal Rh+ cells enter maternal circulation, usually at delivery. Phase 2, memory, generates IgG-Rh antibodies. In Phase 3, the second Rh+ pregnancy faces a fully armed immune response that attacks fetal red blood cells. RhoGAM, or Rh immune globulin, is the tactical interception to prevent HDN. Administered at 28 weeks in post-delivery, this shot preemptively clears fetal Rh cells from the mother's blood. This intervention prevents sensitization, saving the next pregnancy from the immune attack. The blood type diet myth suggests specific diets align with ancestral blood types. Type O is claimed to thrive on high animal protein, type A on a vegetarian diet, type B on high dairy, and type AB on a mixture. This hypothesis claims that dietary proteins, called lectins, selectively agglutinate cells based on ancestral genetics. The verdict on the blood type diet myth is clear. While some raw legumes contain specific agglutinating lectins, the majority of dietary lectins react with all blood types universally. Extensive studies revealed zero cardiometabolic link between ABO genotype and specific diets. The diet often works simply by eliminating highly processed foods, not because of blood type. Blood types primarily define biochemistry, referring to the presence or absence of specific carbohydrate chains on an RBC surface. This is crucial for their application in transfusion medicine and safe childbirth, dictating who you can donate to and receive from. Blood type is irrelevant to digestion and lifestyle. It dictates your emergency donor, not your dinner plate.